smart oven air fryer boasts 10 cooking functions that make cooking incredibly simple. Two of my favorites include the warm and reheat. You'll use the bottom rack position for both of these. If you're wondering how they're different, let me explain. Reheat is ideal for yummy leftovers, like pizza, and it'll heat them up without browning or drying them out. And let's be honest, who doesn't love leftover pizza? To reheat, place your food in one of the included pans or dishes. Center the dish on the wire rack to ensure airflow around the food. Close the oven door and use the function dial to set the reheat function. Select the desired temperature and heating duration with the dials and press the Start Cancel button to start. The reheat temperature time can be adjusted and the convection and frozen settings altered before and during the reheating cycle. The frozen button reduces the oven temperature and extends the cooking duration slightly to ensure your food is reheated thoroughly without burning the outside. Now let me talk you through the warm function. This function will keep hot foods at a safe temperature above 160 degrees Fahrenheit, much like the reheat process. Place your meal in the appropriate dish and center it on the rack. Select the warm function with the function dial and adjust the temperature and time dials as needed. Press the Start Cancel button to activate the warm function. On both of these cooking functions, you can choose between convection or none. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. Bon appetit!